Nature makes me feel at home, and I want other people to feel that same sense of home when they listen through Terra.
Terra is going to let you bring the outdoors inside.
I'm going to love being able to just turn Terra on and listen to the natural world right inside my house.
I'm so excited that Terra is becoming a reality.
I left it running all night, and it was really exciting because early in the morning, my bedroom lit up with bird song. It was better than listening through the window. I mean, you could just hear every nuance. It was crystal clear. I actually was able to get up easier in the morning. I was kind of energized, I was excited, I was refreshed. And I think that's really important for humans to reconnect with nature and bring those sounds inside.
It'll use digital signal processing to eliminate human-made sounds like speech or machinery, so you really can focus on the natural sounds around you. You can listen to curated sites around the world, so you can listen to a waterfall in Hawaii, you can listen to a watering hole in Africa, you can listen to the jungle in Panama without ever having to leave your couch.
Terra also supports external sensors that allow you to monitor your yard and your microclimate around you,
which let you track the moisture in your soil, weather, flooding, and other aspects so that you can see what's going on outside even when you're not at home. Even if you're not a hardcore birder or you go on nature hikes all the time, I think that Terra is going to let you connect to your yard in a new way and help you get your foot in the door in that natural world.
We've developed a lot of technology over the years to help us track migration, and we're going to take it to the next level with Terra, with the biggest citizen science project ever.
Flight calls are short notes that birds make during nocturnal migration, and by recording those calls, we can actually know which species make them and use that for conservation purposes.
So if we have Terras across the country, across the world, we'll be able to augment that network the scientists have built already and provide high precision data on where those birds are moving.
It's going to really unlock a lot of mysteries.
And I think the more tools we have to protect them, the better off we're going to be. And the more we'll be able to preserve the environment for ourselves, because really the environment and nature is our home. You know, we live in houses, but nature is our home.
This is key to help scientists like me conserve biodiversity at local, regional, and global scales. I'm really excited to be partnering with the Terra project.
Terra is going to provide a new avenue into research and our understanding of bird migration. I think it's going to be a wonderful tool for how we plan for and want to preserve and save the wildlife that we have and the habitats that they're using. We'll definitely use it at home.
The beauty about this is we don't even have to touch a bird. We just listen and learn, and that's simply what Terra does.
Terra is about connection. Terra is about connecting people to nature and connecting people to each other to preserve that nature.
Can be proud about being part of a citizen science network of Terra devices and be proud of being part of the Terra community, and that's super exciting. Also important for me to share that with my two little girls. I'd really like to leave them that legacy, and I really hope others would like to do the same.